Hey everyone, I'm back with a new tutorial. Today's video is based on how to check all apps passwords saved on your Android phone. In order to check all your password that is saved on your Android device, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. After that, you'll need to go ahead and open up your settings application or just go to your Google account. Once you're on this page, go to your profile icons, select the profile for which you actually want to see or check all the password, and after that underneath go ahead and click on manage your Google account. After that, it's going to direct you to this kind of interface right over here. You'll need to scroll down or swipe towards your left hand side and click on security. After that, you'll be able to see multiple options. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll be able to see an option as your saved password. In order to check all your saved password, click on the arrow icon next to it. Here you can see these are all the applications that my password is saved on. In order to check the password for, you need to go ahead and tap on it. Next page, it's going to ask you to enter in the device or maybe confirm your identification. So click on the continue button. Sometimes you might be asked to use your fingerprint or maybe facial ID or maybe a pin. After that, you'll be able to see the password by tapping on the eye icon located right in the corner. As soon as you've done that, you'll be able to see your password. So that is how you can check all apps passwords saved on your Android device. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.